If you don't like messy soap but still want clean hands, then watch Miko turn bubbles into magic at the sink. This trick keeps germs away and playtime starts sooner. Every time Miko plays, sometimes germs tag along. When Miko sees a cough or a sniffle, she covers with her elbow. Like a little shield, germs bounce off and friends stay safe. After playing, Miko goes to the sink and wets her hands. She sings the two-bubble song while scrubbing her palms. Then she scrubs the backs of her hands with soap. She scrubs each finger carefully, getting soap between them. She cleans each thumb too, making sure they're clean. Then she rinses her hands under clean running water. She dries her hands with a clean towel. She gives a high five. Clean hands that stop germs spreading. Because Miko covers coughs and washes her hands, fewer friends get sick and the playground stays bright. You can be like Miko, ready to help friends cover your coughs with your elbow like Miko. Wash your hands for 60 seconds to get rid of germs. Help everyone keep playing by stopping germs.